Welcome! This video is an instructional guide for the IBDoc Portal. In this video, we guide you through creating a new patient. Log into the IBDoc Portal using your clinical user credentials. On the left side of the screen, click on the Patient tab to proceed. Under the Patient tab, click on Create New Patient. This will take you to a page where you can enter patient's detail you wish to add. The left panel contains general information. The username is a free field, commonly used for the patient's NHS number. After entering the username, fill out all the other required fields with the patient's information. In the Account section, you can assign up to 4 email addresses to associate with a patient. Tick the relevant permission you want these clinical users to have. New results notification. Overdue test notification. This allows the assigned clinical users to receive automatic emails regarding these. Make sure the patient's account is marked as active. This will allow the patient to have access to the IBDoc app. In the right panel, you can adjust the patient's calprotectin result settings. The default threshold is set to 100 to 300, but you can modify it to your requirement. You are also able to modify the test frequency depending on individual patient level. You can set the test to be done on days, weeks, months, or years. A message would send to the patient as a reminder when the test is next due. Additionally, you can control how the patient sees their result. Yes and no. Allows the patient to see the calprotectin concentration and its classification. No and no. Shows only the result classification. Normal, moderate, or high. No and yes. Keeps the patient fully blinded to the results. Once all fields are completed, click Save. This will trigger an email to be sent to the patients, prompting them to set up their IBDoc Portal app account. They will need this account to complete the test and use IBDoc going forward. If you need to update any details for an existing patient, simply click the Edit icon. This will allow you to modify any field as needed. Confirm any changes made by clicking Save.